Hello everyone friends! In this video, we will tell you about the most incredible agricultural machinery that will give you goosebumps. Before we start, please like and subscribe to the channel. Nexat. It is a miracle machine that can perform almost all agronomy tasks. From cultivation, sowing and fertilizing to harvesting. The machine can work with absolutely different devices for absolutely different tasks. There are so many combinations that one machine with its attachments can replace a whole fleet of agricultural machinery. From an economic point of view, this is the advent of a new profitability of farms. It will reduce all production, maintenance, energy and personal tasks. This machine has been tested for several years on different farms located in places where the weather conditions are not the best and has proved itself very well. SGF1300. Attachments for tractors with a capacity of 500 horsepower. SGF1300 is designed for cultivating the soil before planting potatoes. 8 come forming cutters grind lumps of earth, while forming loose, ready-made wells for planting potatoes. In addition, the attachments can be used as a conventional cultivator and quickly folded into a transport position. Thanks to the use of cutters made of high-strength material with a special configuration of teeth, SGF1300 can prepare soil of any composition, both clay and stony. The speed of soil treatment also increases, since the wear-resistant material of the cutters has a special anti-friction coating, which allows the use of tractors of low power while maintaining productivity. Ditch Cleaner. This machine is designed to remove silt, dirt and debris from drainage ditches and channels. It is not a standalone equipment, it is designed to be used with tractors. The main thing in this device is a disc shredder, thanks to which what it is in the ditch is shredded or flies out of the ditch. These discs are made of very high-strength material to cope with any debris in the working area. Tango 1320. It is the most stable and fastest trail-wrapping machine on the agricultural machinery market. At the touch of a button, the machine automatically moves from the road to the working position. All the driver has to do is to carefully drive up to the baled product, and then the machine does all the work itself, leaving behind a neatly packed finished product. The machine is built to the highest standards, and it utilizes a hydraulic speed control system. This means that hydraulic functions, such as the speed of the wrapping arm, can be infinitely adjusted to suit the desired speed of operation. One roll of wrapping film is sufficient to wrap approximately 80 units of pressed products. Stihl SGF1300. This equipment can be attached to a tractor with at least 150 horsepower. It consists of a circular saw with carbide tips, which can literally cut the ground to a depth of 800 to 1300 mm. The resulting trench is 80 to 350 mm wide. The cut earth is fed to a mini conveyor, through which it is dumped to the right of the saw into a smooth hill at a distance of less than 1 meter from the trench. The trench itself comes out with even edges and can be straight or slightly curved depending on the task at hand. The edges of the trench are automatically leveled by 15 cm stoppers on the sides of the saw. The construction weight is approximately 2 tons. Crone Swadro TC880. This machine is designed for harvesting mown grass in fields. Thanks to 2 systems of multi-directional rotation, the machine from the company Crone easily handles wide strips, significantly reducing the cleaning time of one side. It is worth noting that the width of the working part is almost 9 meters. During transportation, the span indicator is reduced to 3 meters, simplifying the movement of the trailer. The reinforced connection head with a 2-point suspension ensures reliable docking and contributes to better stabilization on the go. A special hydraulic system and wheel arrangement maintain smooth movement and prevent tooth loss. Brinly May. Mowers that can handle almost any task. The mowers are specially designed with a low center of gravity for optimum handling even on slopes. They are equipped with a 4-stroke gasoline engine with a steering handle on the handlebar. The mowers are easy to move without physical effort. The control center of the machinery is located on the handlebar, which has an LED display that shows the direction of travel, speed, headlights and type of attachment. Optional equipment includes a spiked wheel roller for improved traction and traction in the most difficult terrain, such as steep climbs or rocky ground. Rubber tires are available for less demanding conditions. Big Butt 747. This largest agricultural tractor is equipped with a 16-cylinder diesel engine with a capacity of 24 liters and 1,100 horsepower, as well as a fuel tank with a capacity of 4,000 liters. This monster weighs 50 tons and is equipped with 80 working elements for fertilizing and assembly processes. The average speed of this machine is 8 km per hour. Feraboli Extreme 365. The bowler with variable volume chamber is used to form balls from any products – haylage, hay, straw, corn stalks. Thanks to its versatility, the possibility to change the bale diameter and core density, this machine is an ideal solution for large farms. The control unit located at the tractor cab allows you to select the desired bale diameter from 50 to 165 cm. Flameweed, a kind of flamethrower for fighting weeds. This miracle weapon of the 1930s, but doesn't lose its relevance even now. The simplicity, reliability, and environmental safety of fire provides a high demand for this technique even in the 21st century. Destroying weeds with fire and steam is more effective and less dangerous to the environment than traditional methods of weed control that use chemicals or human manual labor. The flamethrower damages weeds, but has little or no effect on the physical, chemical, and microbiological characteristics of the surface soil layer. The fuel tank holds 5,000 liters of flammable liquid, enough to treat 2 hectares of land, which is commensurate with 3 soccer fields. Buxa Streaming machine. This technique allows you to cut plants with a spherical shape, thanks to a specially designed nozzle that rotates around a central axis. The nozzle can be easily moved around the working area thanks to 4 wheels, each on its own axis. It is possible to adjust the diameter of the sphere and the height of the treated plant. This trimmer works with any type of shrub vegetation, both on a single and industrial scale. Brinly West. This machine is used for large volumes of firewood. For this purpose, it is necessary to load untreated palin or chopped billets up to 110 cm long into the hopper, and the self-propelled sewing mechanism will neatly cut the future fuel into neat, even firewood. The size of the finished elements varies up to 50 cm. Duration of one pass, despite the filling and density of the block, does not exceed 60 seconds. Minimal noise generation and waste spreading radius reduce inconvenience and the likelihood of occupational injuries. Depending on the tractor itself, the lifting height of the loading hopper can be up to 4 meters. Friends, if you like the video, then give it a like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.